Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, back again. Music club in a damn mafia, damn family. You see what we're dealing with today. Yeah, man, we're there with the artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah, man, we react to this artist many times. I already know. You don't know in skin level already, because we're definitely familiar with this artist. Yeah, man, we're back in the video with back in the building with Valiant. You see me, Corruption. This one been highly requested. This one was requested by Blu-ray. You know, Blu-ray don't stop with the requests. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you, Blu-ray. Shout out to you, man. Yeah, man, this one was requested by Blu-ray, and this one is Valiant Corruption. We dropped this like a day or two ago. I'm not sure. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, miss out that one. Then we're gonna check it out and see what I'm going. I don't know. Valiant be doing this thing, full of vibes, full of energy, all that good stuff. We don't have to roll up with vibes much longer. We don't know take too long. We don't know where Valiant capable of and where we're up to. All we have to do is check in with them, make sure it's on good. You see me, how y'all doing? Y'all been staying prayed up. Y'all been drinking your water and stuff. You've been staying on your grind. You know you gotta stay on your purpose. I check in with you every day, man. So don't forget that. You know what I'm saying? Drink up of water and stay prayed up. You're gonna jump right in the track. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm only 180 away from 2K. After that, we're going straight to 10K, not even 5K, we're going 10K. So hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah, man. So yeah, be a vibes energy. You don't want to miss out. Trust me. Ask the gang. They'll tell you. But yeah, man, this is Valiant Corruption. We're going to check it out. We'll jump right in the channel. Let's get it. Valiant Corruption. Let's get it.
I spend a fool of money on my body.
I like this beat.
This and you got it.
Vibes. The ambience where you give off.
Yo, I'm a dash of some money in ya. Mash up in ya. Girl a bubble and a long out. Tongue for singer. She take talk. As someone dash she figure.
That's where the youth.
Change. Different villa. Extension.
Yeah, man, I tell you something like the beat, man. Me know it, man. The beat have a vibes, so you come in.
And 32 in a the belly relax. Jaja with the laser beam, ready for shot. You, boom, boom. Just get a package from the mailman. And we are par with the Asian.
Okay. Mama, I'm gonna go on to. You know, we love with Caribbean girls. So you're go on to. Come in, man.
Put your girl on the radar. Fuck it today. Yeah, tomorrow, no yellow.
Man said, just get a package from the mail, man. And we are par with Haitian. Just forget, you know. Man said, forget y'all today or tomorrow. Me not here, lie.
Tree uptown, girl, a be a war. One traveling a daycare. Designer girl, silicone with the fake ass. It's still be a job. Dash her some money in ya. Mash up in ya. Girl a bubble and a long out. Tongue for singer. She take talk. As someone dash her figures. Change. Different villa. Extension. 32 in a the belly villa.
Easy no mama. Girl, man, go answer, man. Yeah, man, I like the video, man. The energy. This is. I ain't gonna break now no lyrics for this one. Lyrics saying bad still. But it's an energy, it's a vibe song. You know what I'm saying?
Jaja with the laser beam, ready for shot. You, boom, boom. Ross, how much for that? Them ask me. That shirt up your mortgage. My shoes not.
Once how much that them ask me. That shirt up your mortgage. Yo, he's in the dog. I say I read them bad. Talking at the Alexander McQueen's.
On the market, no. My jeans, me can't talk it. You say after the party. So she want fucking at the parking lot. Plus her friend want join her talking stop.
Say after the party, she want fucking at the parking lot. Say she friend want join her. Shh, I'll talking stop. I'm telling you, man. Right now, mama.
Stop, bitch. Yo, I'm a mash up in ya. Mash it up. Fuck couple gal way in ya. Just calm, man. Yo, Chin, bring her on the camera, man. As a diploma, my father, man. Yo, Chaptive Beats. Yo, Louis. Yo, Jaja. Rahim.
Man.
Yo, I'm a dash of some money in ya. Mash up in ya. Girl a bubble and a long out. Tongue for singer. She take talk. As someone dash her figures. Change.
Bro. DJs. If me not hear this in a party, no. If me not hear this in a, me a mash up a party, no, brother. If me not hear this in a party, bro. I mash up a party. But if me hear in at the party, me I mash up the party. You get what I say? Alright. Yeah, man. Big man thing. If me no hear in a party, me I mash up a party. And if me hear in a party, me I go mash up a party. Yeah, man. Don't know if you play this, man, on top of the phone, this, man.
Different villa.
Play the new tune, them, man. Yo, this is a vibe, man. For real, and if you hear this in the club and in a party, them, man. I'm tuning, man. Yo.
Extension 32 in the daily relax. Saja with the laser beam, ready for shot. You, boom, boom.
Yeah, man, this is a vibe. This is a party song, bro. It's a summer song, party song, night song, day song. Yeah, man. This is a movie, you know what I'm saying? It's mad. Yeah, man, you play that song and bro, you would have a good night. You know what I'm saying? You play song, you go on a mission, you got a party. Anything, yo, this is mad.
If I'm a king cam shoot this not shoot good, brother. You see you free.
Valiant, big up yourself, me G. King Cam always a do him thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, big up King Cam, big up, Valiant, big up yourself, me G. Yeah, man, that was man, that definitely dope. Yeah, the energy after that one is crazy, guys. Let me know anything about that one in the comment section. And definitely let me know where you're watching from. See me, if you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know so Jambisco dan send you. You see me? Yeah, make you know so we're strong over here. So link to the video should be in the description, guys. I don't know. Yeah, man, real dope track. Valiant, bro. The man versatile. Too versatile. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we have subject matter. You know, if you stick to one thing. You know what I mean? In that box, like some of them chopper artists and all these. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, he keep doing his thing. Keep elevating, keep surprising people. Keep making hits and bangers. You know what I'm saying? So let me know anything about this in the comment section. Let me know what's your favorite part. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. You know, so Jambisco dan send you. You know, so we're strong over here. Let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. And you're gonna see your shout outs on screen and all that. Let me know where you're watching from and all that. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here tonight, hitting and smashing up. Banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.